YouTube family, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to this video. So you can see today I am not in my car. I am doing a video in the garage here because I'm gonna show y'all something really quick before we get into the video. You see, we don't get this too often, and I am not about to do a POV video driving in this stuff right here. So it's a driveway. See how the roads look. Yeah, so when it snows down here, it's a state of emergency. My best bet is to stay inside, because last time I drove in the snow, I got in a wreck and it wasn't my fault. I had a video about what happened and all that type of stuff, but we're here today on today's video. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in. New viewers, thank you for tapping in. Hope you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all that stuff with your boy. And return viewers, appreciate you guys for rocking with me on this YouTube journey. And let's go and get a topic on today's video. You see the title and you see the thumbnail. So like I said, on this video, what we're going to talk about and discuss is my order for my new car, and talk about some other things that's going on with Dodge that some of you may be aware of, some of you may have questions about, and things of that nature, right? So first things first, let me talk about the order of my new car, because that will segue into what we got going on here today. So if you've been paying attention to the channel and things of that nature, you know that I placed an order for a 2022. I never said the brand or anything like that. I posted on my Instagram, and a lot of people pretty much guessed and was saying like I probably ordered a Dodge car and things of that nature. And I will say on this video, that is true. My new car is a Dodge. It will be a 2022 Dodge. So, and a lot of people saying, you know, what it was gonna be. I got anything from a Durango, Trackhawks, all that type of stuff. So we're gonna say this, and this is gonna segue to my point as well. So you see the wife got a new car, 2022 Chevy Tahoe. So with having a full-size SUV in the garage, that means I do not need a full-size SUV. So I said it's a Dodge, so Dodge makes 3 cars: Charger, Challenger, and Durango. I don't need a full-size SUV, so that takes the Durango off the plate. But we do have a Dodge coming to the channel, 2022, and let's talk about that. All right, so I'm gonna set y'all right there. Hopefully y'all can see me pretty well. So let's talk about where we at with this whole process. I put my order in for my car November 16th, and so you guys can figure out the time frame. November 16th is when they announced the jailbreaks. You can assume what you want to assume at that point. Pretty much my order went in officially on the 17th, right? So we're talking November. We're November 2021 when my order went in. We are 2 months from that date since my order's been in, and the current update right now is that my car is still in the same status. It is still in status D, which is the scheduling status, which means that they are still working on getting the parts for the car to be built, right? And that's been 2 months ago, so that's been 8 weeks already since my orders went in. And my question is, like, what's going on? What's going on with Dodge that is causing these orders to be delayed and not get out? The thing about it, I know a lot of people are going to say, is due to the, you know, semiconductor and stuff like that. Those semiconductors go into go into the cars for the technology and stuff like that. Like I mean, I guess Bluetooth navigation, whatever. Like whatever on your car uses a computer, that's what the semiconductors are for. Dodge is also under the same umbrella as Jeep, Ram, those brands. And Jeep and Ram, they have already built 2022s. Dodge has not built any 2022. And I looked this up. I went on like cars.com, Hendrick, cars.com, all that type of stuff. National databases where you can look up cars, and there are 2022 Rams, there are 2022 Jeeps, and both of those brands use the same technology, but they are able to produce 2022 cars. Dodge has not produced any 22 cars. You won't find any Durango, you won't find any Chargers, Challengers, anything like that nationwide. There are none out there. None have been built. So that brings me to where we are right now, right? Where's my car? What's going on? Dodge has definitely been down for quite some time. And when I mean down, I'm talking about the plants, the factory where it's being built. So if you're not aware, that Dodge builds their cars in Canada. It's in, I think it's Ontario, if I'm not mistaken. I think this it's in Brampton, Ontario, something like that. So that's where the cars are being built. I've been reaching out to customer service a good bit. Also, I had a good conversation with Exotic Car Blacklist. If you go to my community page and look on there, I shared a video with me and Exotic Car Blacklist. We talked about our orders. He also has two 2022 Dodges on the way, and me and him been chatting this whole time during this process, so make sure y'all check out that video and support him. We had a really good conversation on everything. So the plant, from what I'm learning, has been down for over a month, and I learned this, like, from what we've learned, and I reached out to the general manager at the dealership that I'm working with. I reached out to my salesperson at the dealership. They're not aware of what's going on. The customer service, where you can check the order status, they've been giving me updates, and they've been telling me different things and things like that. So the latest update I got, which was like last week, where they're saying that that the plants will not open up until next week, either the 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th. Don't know, but the plants won't open up until then. So that leads me to wonder, like, so why is Dodge so behind? Like, other manufacturers are getting 2022s out, but Dodge isn't able to. Like, for example, that is a 2022, you can see right here, that is a 2022 Tahoe, and it's not missing anything. Everything is fully there. It's fully 2022. And the thing about this car, the order for this SUV was put in after, like a month after my order went in for my car, and we got delivery of this car probably about 2 weeks ago. Brand new 2022, right? Chevy's also figured out, they got Corvettes out. I know a couple of people that took delivery of 2022 Corvettes before 2022 even came up, like the end of December. I know a couple of people that got delivery of their C8 Corvettes. And so that means Chevy has figured out how to keep producing 2022s despite this pandemic going on, despite you know, the COVID-19 virus still going out and things like that. So Chevy has found out how to get these cars produced. But for some reason, Dodge has not figured this out. So what does that mean, right? I know not everyone has 2022 orders, but this will impact a lot of people. Let me put y'all back here. Hopefully y'all can see me. So what does this mean for people that have that are looking to get 2022? So if you're looking for a 2022, you will probably not see a 2022 on the lot until, my guess, if what I'm hearing is correct from the plant being shut down and whatnot, you will not see a 2022 on the lot until probably March. There are a lot of people right now that have orders out, and everyone I chatted with that has an order out for 2022 Dodge, they are still in the same status I'm in. And I put my order in pretty early. I would say probably nationwide, and this is just a guess. I'm not sure how many orders got put in, but I put my order in as soon as I knew that you can put one in, and my order went in, like I said, mid-November, right? I would guess, and I'm being generous, I think I might have one of the first 1,000 orders for 2022. Now, with the order still pending and no 2022s on the lot, so what will Dodge prioritize as far as getting built? I mean, I would think, in my eye, they will probably, you know, get the orders out first so they can get those sold orders done and then probably build dealer stock or whatnot. But who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? My thought process, if and this is what I'm thinking, if a lot of you guys are looking to get a 2022 and you're looking to get maybe like a Scatpack or a Hellcat or something like that, more than likely you will probably not see one of those trims sitting on the lot as a 2022. If you do, they're not going to be there very long. Typically what I'm seeing a lot of people doing orders for, a lot of people are doing orders for Scatpacks, a lot of people doing orders for Hellcats and things like that. People tend to not do orders for the V6 models and RTs. I mean, I may be wrong about that. Maybe people do orders for those, but I don't typically see a lot of orders for those particular cars. So if you're looking to go to the dealership to buy a 2022, you're not going to have Scatpacks on the lot. You're not going to have Hellcats on the lot and things of that nature. I know I mentioned before what, like, far as the car I'm getting. Yes, I said Dodge. Also said my new car will be faster than this one. So that puts me into a couple of cars. Either Charger Challenger, Scatpack narrow body, wide body, Hellcat, redeye, jailbreak, super stock. So one of those cars will be coming to the channel, right? So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. But as far as like what Dodge is doing, I don't know. I've been doing a lot of research to find out like why the orders are taking so long, why orders aren't being done. One of the theories that I have is that that the 2021 orders got so delayed. Like, I think they were still building out 2021s, because I know people were still getting deliveries for 2021s in December. So that tells me they were still behind, because typically what a lot of manufacturers do, they'll start building 2022s or the next model year like around November, December. So when the new model year, the new year comes around, they have those new cars sitting there ready to go, ready to be sold. But Dodge is still where they will almost be into February before a 2022 gets built. And that's assuming that what I've been told through the chat with the agents I've been working with is true. So it's not looking good for 2022. So if you go to the lot, you're not going to see them. I mean, it is what it is. It kind of sucks, definitely, for people that's been waiting a long time. I know I've been waiting. A lot of other people have been waiting. And if you are still putting your orders in, you're going to be waiting too. They're going to be definitely behind the 8 ball. I'm not sure how that plays into Dodge's sales. You know, that's where they're at, right? So that's the update I got. That's what I understand. And I still don't understand how Dodge is so far behind. I don't know. Other manufacturers have it figured out. Chevy has it figured out. Dodge's sister companies, Ram and Jeep, have it figured out. They're making 2022s using the same technology. I mean, if you're not familiar with Dodge, pretty much Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram are all under the same umbrella of companies. Pretty much use the same technology, same parts, things like that. They're making 2022s over there. Dodge is pretty much making the same car from last year with some software updates. So not sure why we're having trouble getting the cars built, but I'm thinking they're just behind from 2021. But the thing is this though, I really want to know what the holdup was. If anybody's just watching this video, if you work in the plant or know somebody close to you that works in the plant, I would love to know what's going on there, why things are so delayed. Like I said, my guess they got so behind with 2021s that they couldn't really focus on the 2022s. I was told that they were working on 2021s and 2022s at the same time, but I think that's 100% false. I also told they had some 2022s build. I don't think that's true either. So that's where we're staying, guys. That's where we're staying with my order. I want my car. The content will still come. I'm not banking on this car for content. I mean, I do plan on doing content with the new car, of course, but it's not make or break for the channel with the car. I'm just personally, I had this car since 2015. I love this car. I have fun with this car. I'm still having fun with this car, but you know how anybody, you got something new coming, you can't wait for it, and that's where I'm at right now, just trying to wait it out, and just kind of confused why we're taking so long to build 2022s when other manufacturers have 2022s. So if anybody got an order out there, let me know. I want to hear your thoughts. Anything you heard, let me know. Either shoot me a message on Instagram, or send me a comment down below just to see if you heard any information. I'll share what I know. That's pretty much what I know right now. And also make sure to check out Exotic Car Blacklist. Like I said, his channel will be on my community page, the quickest way to get there, because we synced up for a video. So make sure y'all check him out. And also for this channel, if you're watching this video, you haven't liked, comment, subscribe yet, make sure to go ahead and do that for me. Hopefully we'll have an update next week. I'm going to again reach out to them and see what they got for me, man, because we've been waiting a long time. 2 months in. We're 2 months in from the order of the car, and we are no closer. We are no closer. It's still in the scheduling phase, man. So that's what I got for today, man. So we will catch you on the next video. We're out. Cut it.